Welcome to English Clarity Hub.
I am chopping the onions. She is peeling the potatoes. She is boiling the pasta. He is flipping the pancakes. I am baking a chocolate cake. He is slicing the tomatoes. I am frying the potatoes. She is marinating the beef. I am dicing the garlic. She is roasting the turkey. He is seasoning the vegetables. She is whisking the eggs. He is pouring the milk. I am kneading the dough. He is cracking the eggs. I am blending the smoothie. He is grating the cheese. I am mixing the ingredients. She is toasting the bread. She is drizzling olive oil. I am garnishing the dish. She is rolling out the dough. They are mashing the potatoes. He is straining the pasta. She is squeezing the lemon juice. He is brushing butter on the bread. He is scooping the ice cream. She is rolling the sushi. She is setting the table. She is slicing the bread. I am boiling the water. I am crushing the peppercorns. She is sprinkling cheese on the pizza. I am ladling the soup. They are preparing the salad. She is cooking the rice. They are making sandwiches. I am boiling the eggs. I am stirring the stew. She is washing the lettuce. I am squeezing ketchup on the fries. He is cutting the meat.